Okay, now let us start with the introduction to Android. I know that I know that everybody here has basic introduction of Android, but over let us go over a few points. Android is primarily developed by Google. It is licensed under the Apache license, and as you can see here, the underlying structure of Android has the Linux kernel, which is the basic programs which interface the operating system with the device, like the drivers, etc. It also has a lots of libraries such as WebKit, which is used to display your web pages and stuff like that. It has SSL to encrypt your underlying stuff. It has OpenGL for graphics, and many other libraries as such. It has a virtual machine called Dalvik Virtual Machine. This is a core part we will be using because all our apps have to run under the Dalvik Virtual Machine. And then this is the application framework which we will be using to develop our apps. We have the view systems, we have the intents, we have the activities, and we have and on the top of that we have applications. This looks like your basic OS structures. I think most of you should have studied the OS subject in your BTech. Now it is exactly like that. You have applications on the top layer. So these are some applications they listed, like home, contacts, phone, etc. One important statistic is, as of the third quarter of 2012, we have 500 million Android activated devices, and there are 1.3 million Android devices activating per day.